to Nirvana Indian Cuisine. The restaurant has buffet from Tuesday to Friday. We ordered some samosas, potato samosas, and yogurt. It was really delicious. How is it?
Good.
What's the green sauce?
I don't know.
Oh, it comes with a green sauce and a yellow sauce. Good sauce. Green sauce. Garlic naan, meat samosas,
Yeah, we have our food in front of us.
lamb curry,
Tiki masala.
or tiki masala with chicken, lamb vindaloo, rice. I'm gonna try this sauce on my samosas. Garlic naan. Delicious.
The lamb is so tender.
Lamb is so tender. Lily, which one do you like better?
I haven't tried it from it. I've never seen it this red.
Okay.
Wow.
This.
Oh wow! Checking out this. Wow! Wow! Look at that! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! He's making a naan fresh.
1 second.
Whoa! What is this?
Veggie pakoda.
Oh, veggie pagoda. Wow, nice. Oh wow! Look at that.
Yeah.
This guy is making naan in this special oven. It's amazing. Wow! Look at the fire going. Oh, are you gonna cover it? Oh, okay. You need to cover it.
I cook the chicken inside.
Oh, you cook the chicken inside too?
Chicken,
Oh, my
fish,
goodness.
lamb.
Oh wow! Very nice. Vegetable pagoda.
Mint.
Oh, mint.
Oh, it's mint.
Chutney.
Mint
Oh.
and two mix like this.
Oh, makes it too. And then pour the. Oh wow! Nice. Thanks so much.
It's like called.
The owner gave this to us complimentary. Check out the sauce.
And this one too.
This
tandoori chicken.
The food was delicious. You guys should try it. I give the rating 10 out of 10. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks for watching.